Hello everyone, I will check voice before starting the class. Okay. I will check voice also. Voice is okay or not. Okay. I will check voice also. Yes, voice is okay. Now today I will focus on integration by parts based problems. Okay, so first of all discuss how can solve integration by parts based question. Okay, and before starting how can solve integration by parts based problem, I have first of all discussed formula. Okay, so formula of integration by part means if two function is given, suppose that this one is given u and second one v, both like f of x, you can say that u is a function of x and v also is a function of x into dx given. Okay, this one is a first function and that one is a second function. So according to this integration by part where formula, here two function vx and ux and vx. Okay, so first into integration of second minus differentiation of first function into integration of second to whole integration, and after that written c. Okay, this is the formula of if two function is given f of x and gx, or you can say ux and u of x and v of x is given, then how can apply? First u is supposed here first and this one is taken second. So first into integration of second function minus integration of first differentiation of ux first function. Basically this one is the first and this one is second. So differentiation of first into integration of second, and after that whole integration. Okay, after solving these two and again integrate. Okay, then plus c is also adding. Okay, now take some problem on the basis of how can apply. Look here x into e to power x given. So first of all look here two function x and into e to power x, two function x first function, e to power x second function. Okay, now if you taken first function is how much, this one is taken first function and this one is taken second. So first into second, so you can say that if apply that formula, ux is how much, x. So first into integration of second minus differentiation of first function with respect to x into e to power x dx to whole integration plus c. After that look here, what about that value, x into e to power x minus what about that value, dx by dx, that is 1. So e to power x, integration of e to power x, simply e to power x, so e to power x into dx. Okay, so what about that value, x into e to power x minus e to power x, so sorry, also a new constant adding c. So you can say that x minus 1 into e to power x plus c is the right answer. Make it. Okay. After whole integration you can add c. Okay, after finally add here after solving adding c. Okay, clear or not? So how can solve this type of problem? Very simple. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Sir, I face the doubt corresponding to that step, I will discuss again. Okay, I hope so clear. So now I will take another problem on the basis of, so how can apply? Simply first one taken, if this one is taken first function e to power x second function, so apply simply this value put here, and after that you can integrate, and also this one differentiate, and find the answer. Okay, now look here, I will take another problem. Integration of x square into sin x dx. So question rise, first one taken, why x is taken first function, e to power s second function. Someone take, wait, I will focus previous question first. Someone says, sir, why you are taken, this one is a first function and this one second. I have taken e to power x as a first function, x is taken second function. Someone say, sir, why this one taken first? I will take first function and this one take second function. Look, if you this one taken first and this one taken second, then you can apply that formula. So you can say first into integration of x dx minus differentiation of e to power x divided by dx, okay, into integration of x dx. Clear? What about that value? Simply x into e to power x, sorry, x square by 2. Integration of x is how much? X square by 2. So here x square by 2 into e to power x minus, what about that value? E to power x divided by dx. Simply we got e to power x. And what about that value? This one is written x square by 2. So this one is written 2 into dx. Okay. Now once again integrate. Okay, look here. This one is written x square into e to power x by 2 and here 1 by 2. Now this one taken first and this one taken second. So first into integration of second minus differentiation of e to power x divided by dx into x square dx. After that, clear? Now we got how much? X square into e to power x by 2, 1 by 2. What about that value? X square, integration of x square, x cube by 3. So you can say that x cube by 3 into e to power x and here minus, what about that value? This one written e to power x 1 by 3 into x cube dx plus, now again once again here x cube, again integrate this one. So this integration going on to infinity way, you cannot find the answer. Okay, why? Because of if you taken, this one is taken, this one taken first function and this one taken second. Otherwise if you taken this one as a first function and this one is taken second, then we got how much? Here x minus 1 into e to power x plus c. But if you take this one taken first and this one taken second, then you going on long way, mean more time. Here power increases after one integration. Here x cube, if this one integrate, then we got x to power 4. If that one integrate, then we got e to power x into x to power 5. So going on, it means power r increases. Okay, it means you are going to wrong way. That's why. So first of all, so which function take first function and which function take second function, it's depending upon also. Okay, also what is here written right now, look here. So first of all, I hope so clear what I am discuss, what I want discuss here. Simply, if polynomial function means a to power x n plus b x to power n minus 1 as so on type function available into here sin x, if polynomial function available with sin x, trigonometry function means just like sin x, not inverse, simply sin x, not sin inverse x. Simply here sin x or e to power x or a to power x type function available, then this type of function takes second function. Clear? it means what I am saying, what I am saying, if polynomial function available means x cube, x square, simply x to the power 3, x to the power 5, x to the power 10 available, then this one, that one take first function, and after that if sin x into e to power sin x available or e to the power x available or 2 to the power x, okay, then this type of function available, then that function takes second function. Okay, 99% question you can solve this method. Okay, I hope so clear. Clear or not? Why? Because if this one is taken first function, then power, if you follow this procedure, then power decreases, because differentiate, then x to power decreases, and you got the answer. Okay, now if more than, suppose that here x cube, x square, x to the power 4, x to the power 5 type question available, then how can, if you apply this procedure, then you going to take more time to solve that question. I will take some problem on the, here, suppose that x cube into e to the power x, or x to the power 7 into e to the power x, then how can you integrate? If you apply this procedure, you are going long procedure, means you can take more time. So I will develop a next formula, how can solve if this type of problem are available, then how can apply, or you can solve less time required to solve this. Okay, so look here, if polynomial function more than x cube, x power 4, x or x square, or power increases in the terms of sin x, cos x, or tan x, or e to power x, or a to power x type function available, then how can solve this type of problem? Simply look here u in v dx, if this one is a first function, this one is taken second, so first into integration of second, written v1 minus u prime into double integration, after that plus u double prime v3 triple times integration, and after that minus u third time differentiation, and here 4 times integration, as so on. Clear? Plus minus plus minus plus minus, so here u 4 times differentiation and v 5 times integration, if you want to return next step. Then clear? What is the meaning of this one? v1 means integration of v dx. What about v2? Integration of v1 dx. What about v3? Integration of v2 dx. Clear? What about this one? Differentiation of u with respect to x, u prime, u double prime means double derivative of u, or you can say that u prime, differentiation of u prime x, and triple times means that is double times of x. Clear? As so on. Clear? Now I will take some problem. And that problem you can solve two methods, this formula and this formula. Okay, look here. Suppose that question is given, how much? X cube into e to power x dx. Okay, how can solve this type of problem? Simply look here very carefully. Here x cube into e to power x dx. It is sure which one take first function. Exponential, here polynomial function are available, so that one taken first function. So this one taken first and this one taken second. Now you can do this question if that procedure. So simply you can write now here, follow first method. This one is the first method and this one second method. So if you going on from basic formula, then how can solve? First x cube into integration of e to power x dx minus differentiation of x cube into integration of e to power x dx into dx. Now what about that value? This one written e to power x into x cube, better to write x cube into e to power x minus 3 x square into e to power x dx. Clear? Basically differentiation of x cube is simply x square, 3x square. So that's why 3x square into e to power x dx written here. After that, now that value put here x cube into e to power x minus 3. Now this one taken first function and this one taken second function. So first into integration of second e to power x dx minus differentiation of first into integration of e to power x dx. Clear? So what about that value? Simply x cube into e to power x minus 3. Now e to power integration of e to power x x square into e to power x minus x square differentiation of x square is how much? 2x square, 2x. So 2x into e to power x dx. Clear? So now finally you can say that x cube into e to power x minus 3x square e to power x plus 3 to just 6, and this one taken first and this one taken second function. So first into e to power x dx minus differentiation of into e to power x dx to whole dx. So finally that one written x cube into e to power x minus 3 x square into e to power x plus 6x into e to power x. And what about that value? Here 1 e to power x integration e to power x. So finally minus 6 into e to power x plus c is the right answer. Okay. So basically we got the answer according to first method. Okay. Now you can, this question you can solve with the help of second method also. So look here, first of all right now follow second method, u into v. So here x cube into e to power x dx, that one u and that one is v. So first of all determine u prime. U prime is how much? 3x square, because differentiation of x cube. Okay, sorry, differentiation of x cube 3x, yeah, so 3x square. Now double derivative means double differentiation of u prime means 3x square. So what about that value? 6x. Again differentiate u triple times, so you get how much? Differentiation of 6x, so we got how much? Simply 6. If 4 times differentiate, then we got 0, because 6 is constant, that's why. Clear? Now we are focused on next target v1, v2, v3, v4. v1 means integration of e to power x. What about e to power x? v2 means v1 dx, v1 into dx, v1 e to power x, again e to power x, and v3, v4 also e to power x, because integration of e to power x always e to power x. Okay. So now these value put here. Okay. So look here. U means how much? X cube into V1. V1 means e to power x minus differentiation of this one. U prime means 3x square into e to power x. Okay. V2 plus U double prime means 6x into e to power x. After that U triple primes, that is minus 6 into e to power x plus c is the right answer. Okay. Now check, this one is right or wrong. That answer and that answer are same. If you follow first procedure, you can got like that one. If you follow second procedure, you can got like that one. So which formula, or you can say which method is the best method? Of course, second method is the best method. If you follow second method, you can get you can save the time also. Clear or not? Simply look here. If you can save time and also your calculation mistake, less calculation mistake. Why? Look here, very simple. Otherwise, if you follow this procedure, most of the time calculation mistake is more possible. So you can repeat again. Okay. But if you follow this procedure, then you can less time and accurate answer. I hope so clear. So first of all, make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Sir, I face the doubt corresponding to that step. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Okay. Right now, first of all, everyone right now here. I hope so clear. Now I will take another problem. Okay. I will take another problem also. If any query is related to that topic, then comment it. Okay. Now next problem. Suppose that here x into tan inverse x dx. How can solve this type of problem? How can solve this type of problem? Integration of x into tan inverse x. So first of all, look here. First, if you follow this method, then you can say that sir, first function is I have taken x into tan inverse x. This one will follow first function, and this one taken second function. So first into integration of second minus differentiation of first, but dx. Right now after that, look here. What about integration of tan inverse x? I don't know. I know that tan inverse x integration is how much? Log of sec x. But integration of tan inverse x, I don't know. But differentiation of x is how much? 1. Clear? Now if this one reverse means tan inverse x taken first function, okay, and x is taken second function. Someone take, sir, I will take tan inverse x is a first function and this one is taken first function and this one taken second function. So if this one is taken, tan inverse is first function, so written first into integration of second. Integration of x is how much? X square by 2. After that, differentiation of tan inverse x, simply 1 upon 1 plus x square. So which method is best method? This method. Clear or not? Clear or not? So clear? If don't know what is the integration of that function, so this one, that function take this one is taken first function, because I know the differentiation of this one, but integration of that one I don't know. So in this type of, if this type of question available, means sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse, okay, sec inverse x, cosec inverse x type function available, then that one taken always first function, or log x simply, okay. So simply you can say that here polynomial a into x to power n plus b into x to power n minus 1 and so on, into here sine inverse x, inverse of trigonometry function, sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, or log x type function available. Then in this type of problem available, then this one take second function and this one take first function. Clear or not? So first into second, then apply that formula. Clear or not? So I will take some problem on that topic. So how can solve? Look here. So clear? Which part is taken first function? Always here x to dx. So this one is the first function and this one takes second function. Now look here. So first tan inverse x into integration of x dx. After that, now differentiation of tan inverse x with respect to x into x dx to whole integration dx. Okay, now what about that value? Integration of x, that is x square by 2. So x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus tan inverse x is how much? 1 upon 1 plus x square, and integration of x is how much? X square by 2. X square by 2 into dx. So you can say that x square into tan inverse x divided by 2 and minus, now here one adding and one subtracting, then we got how much? You can say that 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. So finally you can say that x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus, what about that value? Simply x and this one minus plus tan inverse x plus c is the right answer. Make it. Okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Now I will take another problem on the basis of log. Integration of x into log of x plus 1 dx. How can solve this type of problem? Once again, if x is taken first function and log x is taken second, So first into integration of log x plus 1 dx. You cannot integrate. I know that integration of log of x plus 1, I don't know. But differentiation of log of x plus 1 is how much? 1 upon x plus 1. So you can say that this one is taken first function and this one is taken second. So first means x plus 1 log of x plus 1 into integration of x dx minus differentiation of log of x plus 1 divided by dx into x dx. Clear? So what about that value? This one is x square by 2. So x square by 2 into log of x plus 1. Okay. What about that value? This one, log of, in differentiation of log of x plus 1 is how much? 1 upon x plus 1. And integration of x is how much? X square by 2. So written 1 by 2 into x square upon x plus 1 into dx. Now how can solve this type of problem? Simply minus 1 adding, plus 1 subtracting. Okay, minus 1 subtracting, plus 1 adding. Okay, then here x square by 2 into log of x plus 1, here minus half. Now look here, x minus 1 into x plus 1, x square minus 1 is written as how much? X minus 1 into x plus 1. Okay, and here plus 1 divided by how much? X plus 1, or you can say that x plus 1 into dx. Clear? After that, look here, x square by 2 into log of x plus 1. Okay, now minus half, here divide, then we got x minus 1 plus 1 upon x plus 1 into dx. Okay, so x square by 2 into log of x plus 1 minus half. Here integration of x is how much? X square by 2, integration of 1 x, and plus integration of log of x plus 1 upon x plus 1 is how much? Log of x plus 1, and after that C is the right answer. Otherwise you can summarize way, here x square by 2, okay, into log of x plus 1, and that one written x square by 4 plus x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into log of x plus 1, basically mod of x plus 1 and plus C, here written mod. Clear? Is the final answer. Make it. If any queries related okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay. So first of all, make it, write down, or otherwise take a screenshot. I will focus on next problem. Okay, I will focus on next problem. How can solve log of x dx type problem? Question. Integration of log x dx. How can solve? Simply, I don't know what about integration of log x. So simply, if you can solve this procedure. How can do? Look here. Log x is taken. Log x is written log x into 1 into dx. Clear? So you can say that this one is taken first and this one taken second function. If this one is taken first function, so right now according to formula, log x into integration of integration of 1 dx minus, what about that value? Differentiation of log x with respect to x, differentiation of with respect to x into 1 dx whole dx. Okay. Now integration of 1 is how much? X. So simply x into log of x. What about that value? 1 by x. This one written 1 by x. Differentiation of log x is simply how much? 1 by x. And integration of 1 dx simply x. So 1 by x into x dx. So x cancel, simply here 1. So you can say that x log x minus integration of 1 simply x plus c. So finally final answer is how much? X into log of x minus 1 plus c is the right answer. Okay, make it. I hope so clear. After that, I will take another problem on the basis of that topic. Here tan inverse x. How can solve? How can integrate tan inverse x type problem? Simply, I don't know what is integration of tan inverse x. I don't know. So I will take tan inverse x. Simply tan inverse x is written as tan inverse x into 1 into dx. So tan inverse x is first function and 1 is take second function. Okay. So you can say that this one written tan inverse x into 1 dx. So first into second function. So first into second. So simply first function into second 1 into dx, simply dx minus differentiation of tan inverse x with respect to x. Tan inverse x with respect to x written here. Integration of dx simply x. So x into tan inverse x minus differentiation of tan inverse x is how much? 1 upon 1 plus x square, and integration of dx is how much? X. So x upon 1 plus x square dx. I hope so clear. Clear or not? Very simple. Differentiation of tan inverse x is simply, you can write now 1 upon 1 plus x square, and integration of dx simply x. So integration of this one written x upon 1 plus x square. So integration of x upon 1 plus x square dx. Now next target is how can integrate? Simply if this one is t, so that one dt, because of if 1 plus x square, you can say that 1 plus x square is how much? T. So differentiation of this one simply 2x dx, this will be equal to dt. So x dx is how much? Dt by 2. Okay. So you can say that that one written dt divided by 1 by 2 dt divided by t. So what about that value? Log t. So simply you can say that x into tan inverse x minus half into log of 1 plus x square plus c is the right answer. Clear or not? I have so clear or not? If this one is t, so that one dt by 2. So integration of 1 by t is how much? Log t. So log t means log of 1 plus x square plus c. I hope so clear.